Hello, my name is Rimantas, I'm yoga teacher from Lithuania, and today I'm going to show you how to play and sing mantra Jaya Bhagavan. I will start with the melody and chords, and after that I will show you how to play it. Jaya Bhagavan, 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 Jaya Jaya Bhagavan, Jaya Bhagavan, Jaya Bhagavan, Jaya Bhagavan. And repeat, Jaya Bhagavan, and so on and so on and so on. We can play it a little bit slower. Jaya Bhagavan, Jaya Bhagavan, and we can play it a little bit faster. Jaya Bhagavan, Jaya Bhagavan, and so on. So now the chords. First chord AM. Jaya Bhagavan, Jaya Bhagavan. Second chord G. Jaya Bhagavan, F. G. Jaya Bhagavan, AM. Then we repeat this part. Jaya Bhagavan, AM. Jaya Bhagavan, G. Jaya Bhagavan, F. G. Jaya Bhagavan, AM. And the second part. Jaya Bhagavan, G. Jaya Bhagavan, AM. Jaya Bhagavan, G. Then EM. Jaya Bhagavan, AM. Let's repeat the second part. Jaya Bhagavan, G. Jaya Bhagavan, AM. Jaya Bhagavan, G. EM. Jaya Bhagavan, AM. So basically that's all. Just try, just practice, and you will get this mantra just perfect. If you have any question, you can write it in the comments. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. If you have any requests, you can write it in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.